ente mummy enko na ene honorable Collins Ntim de bia me se edi a de frɛ no ene adwuma wura de bia me ka ese enchen kanfo se no ho order de na so metima kanfo me honorable amawo se ye ka one of the ministers mu deputy ministers were number 1 so also ni obi ka ho a also compare honorable wa homa so ma me ne twetweko honorable good evening. Honorable, good evening. Hello, Honorable, good evening. Hello, Honorable.
Hello.
Honorable, good evening.
Hello.
Honorable, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Number 2 to say.
Even the line is faint, minty.
Mr. Mumesha Lani, and Mammy Namino Honorable Chuchin Como. Honorable, say, Muya Kakra.
You mean your patchment?
Wow, wow, wow. Honorable Batadasuna Omunshe, Ahumano, and Fama Mammy. Any Honorable Collins Ntim, Ono, any deputy minister, local government, they do not know any Ejumura, or also any offensive of a year, Mlashe Bejani, and I can MP. Honorable, good evening.
No, could you in patchment?
They say them some money them come.
Them come.
Honorable, your phone, you may and your money. Unam kroma de do ne ka adwuma wura osia oye na wo nya osu bida honorable said dia mebubu mu de he ne mfamfra wo
oh minya I the question and the workers of the anyone
honorable de bia me hia assemble akoya na wo ka kire me tomakoma so me se wasankafo asem bi wakaise bibia wone mre edidi wone mre kwaye wone mre edansie wone mre school sie wone mre nemu mbe 2 years afi ne ewura trem se de wo ye nyina no enwanwa ye hwe school dai a wo brugu egiga so ni akoma de francho ko breso nkwankwa ne nasefo sanso ne hwe kwan hodo a wo ya me no kase do na ne yi e TV so a mfonyi ni so da so na bo secret ne se asese se de open tam won na na do munyina maka mu e de ni secret no
you mean the was na me fa kwenye so na tia wa tifu ni na enka kana mai na na ya fa kente okazo mai ni amiku na na ya fukua ho na disia okazo disia kini na ko so de udi kan kan bibia wo ni offensive of ya kan o she abra ni ebu o so traditional area no na tabe empujuma no e ho e tia mai ko to no so ya o she secondary school so no so traditional ni na ni na ko di of so anapo akona ko na secondary school no bi ho any private population of about 100,000 na wo ko school a wo do three and ni na na she be ko and brand the blessing cratchy o ma peni de la kufuada o ma et be dia l'histoire du workers est le meso na me ada o ma na na ni na be bikido himfo wo do ni dia na de she office do ni na assembly members ni so fu ni na no na ko to aboa yebua no peni na na de na ko kufuada abenzu a so watching the apamphone, one more physical of anti-Akamua to the money, with that, the classic class, and the minister made and Rutino, and she said, yeah, you did go a cremony, a free and you are a general, and look, and Abua Ama, the cost of facing of Nina, the Diego. The Nina, no pumpers, no way, your mountain in America, the visual video. Thank God, the baby Piala, a special sample to Juma Akoso, na a hotel bar, a Juma bar, na Ghana, this will be a so the United did that sort of a platform. saa nhyehyɛ no nyinaa na ɛkɔ so ghana baabi biara na pɛ so na ɔkɔyɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛdi aka na ne titiri no yɛ bɛma sare ɛyɛ amrado a ɔda ɔfɛ so da ɔfɔ no so ɔno so wahyɛ no animonyam wahyɛ ɔfɛto no animonyam wɔde adwumaden ahobraseɛ ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma no wabere ne bɔdua ni ne n'akoma ɛno nti no n'ani na ato kɛsɛ kɛseɛ ɛmu ɔden ɛna ɛden nhyehyɛeɛ a bɛtumi aboa ɔman no ɛnnɛ ɛne nkyirima nyinaa wɔ no saa kɛsɛ no a yɛato no ɛboa paa ɛtia so yɛ party chairman ɛnso ɔno president of yɛwɔ sefa no so ɔyɛ nimdefo a ɛno so brɛ ne ho ase yɛn sɛ nyinaa kɛfɛ bom sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛyɛ adwumaden na ɔfɛ so no ɛnya ne bɛ ntomapanfoɔ a saa kɛsɛ yi a yɛato yi ɛno nso ɛyɛ nkɔnɛhyɛ kɛseɛ pɛn paa ɛboa ɛma nnwom a kwame na ɔdi ho adanse ɛtumi ɛkɔ so nti mɛfa saa akɔnnwa nkyerɛ nso ɛma kamfo mpɛ disifoɔ wɔ ghana nyinaa wɔn mmɔmmɔdeɛ nom ne wɔn mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ ɛnyɛ baako ebuo ne anidie a ɛfata obiara no na ɛhwɛ sɛ ɛde bɛma no sɛ mpanyinfoɔ kan praeɛ wei wobu baako a ebu na emu ka bo mu a ne bu na ebu na ɛno ɛna ɛbɛboa ama ɔbɛnpanyin na naa adedan kwakufoɔ ado nana adedan kwakufoɔ ado n'ani so ɔde hu no sɛ ghana baabi biara bɛkɔ so no ɛtumi abɛm ama mmansin biara ɛwɔ ghana ɛne ghana nyinaa nti ne nyinaa kakra a bi wɔka no
Honorable, and then you sense why deputy Mr. Local Government say you might do one a bayan and then do one across will be a call a down junction kakra and near maybe a call a was so and a cranty no education kakra. Now, young crofom on one say yet is a doctor said we now Upia Munishim. Even when another machines are basically getting swap on things, so say, street here, the Kurumuna, who you cry my feet, cry that could pierce a seco. Now, could pierce a good end is well grab them. Mikasa said, my dear way, me know it to one or more bear about 5 years ago. When I now will cast a man Besson, the man of Swab Basso, who say a man a song.
And partly the crepa. So I am punching you now, but I was still being doing a trip and something. Many na stop and keep a small of his milk and media. Mentioning me pay it. So say, na a dear papa the papa and they say you couldn't it's your pa until maybe I'm not a whole after the and no idea not about Makumafi. But then I make kind says I'm no. The new one is as opposition leader. The dear no over 200 they say an aircraft down the team, no, they are you and no air at the portal, and no tea and an American. We will see a trade, then we will keep yourself pretty a pepper, a sapper, and a more beer on the true. A basic the papa, I'm on my day. I mean, now, so it's never. Somewhere, as I said, a more than a mean, no matter what people are doing. I imagine it's a Ghana, Clubia, or Pepper Modern and good to about and no American say, or person of and thinking, you women are, also. You will GDS and where we live in the crowd. To pounds so starting.
Oh, fine.
It's so say, no strange is your kind of body. My body, say, schools, you know, the government DC, and they can't accommodate you. And we are still high school, a rough ranch. Somebody, let me never be papa, and it's a near ye. Nay, I make a say, you see, headmaster's boundary, you know. Senior house master's boundary back home and 12-unit classroom as so company. Yes, she said, the vessel see the man but they are not so better. I feel the Sanji shall be and echo some Kinkasu Senior High School. If you have a power, Mr. Grandma, Dano. The women you have to remember baby, Papa Atina and Student. And not in the girls, Robert, I was thanking you, and Nana Yaka, and the Nana Tokia, and the crew in the Swedish Obode, there is girls Domeci. Danny now, the me and Rato, as some of them was I'm heavy, as I have the years of the blanket. Towns is the boys Domeci. Toilets are good, and sure I hope hotel, and so the first school in come. Now I do take you in the school that no and you could yeah, umpire state. I feel good in this afternoon.
Wow.
Yeah, also every year vocational technical school.
Wow.
We didn't pay for it also. Yeah, the person and I have to of 15 council every month, and the other game, we can amount. I feel good in me, everything I feel about now your vocational technical school. Yeah, vocational technical school, and so King as well. So the dog Boama, you young man, Noah, the vehicle, a one-year school. Nancy, when you hear some years that to man, upon about it. Yes, I see your mother say, I feel the balance, the backwards of the court, upon a dime. Let's just say, oh, pounding in the 3 and senior high school, the 3 technical schools. So you can, you young woman, brother, woman, go over the and could do so. When you see the young suggested, I feel quite that's high school in the technically, you know, and also a year, Juma, and a person. Let's just say this, you are doing now. We did 2005 to 2025, you know, set official law. I did be a official municipal by 2025, maybe with official law.
Wow.
Now, affairs you are qualified step, you begin municipal status. A human so other there, and multi and of my permission, if a quick, you know, also you official was some car. This was the and the planting for food and jobs. The BD are a planting for experts and rural development. And no any national secret are the biggest cashew, the biggest mango, the biggest shea, the biggest rubber, the biggest coffee, the biggest oil part, the biggest coupe. Sandy Vendinaro and Montpellier engineer, and the big I'm going to the first don't coupe. I mean, cuckoo at Ghana. Said if they are a Mexican.
Wow.
You just say, a little bit in coping to a aircraft. Cashew, you can't be a thing in American.
Wow.
If I Ghana, so a person make a difference. And I'm not so soon. The name of the and ma equal gua in Radia Soma, yes, I said, you tedious step, and no February, Amma, Yafita, other crew, a little bit of 79, it didn't free a person any time in and also the idea and of course, honorable, and then also, no crack, and then also now, I'm saying, I'm they say party a feed the program them say our best 60 to 70% em no na be na honorable na what you we ko pie mu wo Adan Junction na ya me dey say o mention planting of food na ade am ko hu on me particular dey mani a hye da anye ho bet mo hye emu no minim say dey tie no say opayin bi adua amango a start ya aso omo exporto Dr. Moano Motese said the machine Aquacusi among Numu among about 525 acres. Na ye jigu among also aso. Na koti muno the Omuka and say about 1976 and a government Equaji sent and ka or baby yet and according to information she said. At that for Nagasa land near Mudiano,
emfe by ayinti ekodi voter for na dia asase no ko na nye adanfo na land ni omu dia enti no by eye empanyfo hihye mu no omu de ma eye dan investor no nso dua amango na ebua adwuma ho but me no ka say yakodwi amango no agu ama ede nchirwa kese ede aba ho ebasa na honorable for sema beje asase ewo ahemfo since 1970 ya anya hwe awose ma asase ne da ho ana awose develop
yo kojo be mase oya die adwuma ye aye yi nyina be ye no nyina me ye asema wa kan chiri everything papa and it is make am say na me do no siko na di yo ma fona na ba be busule na e na fona be so ene ne be ne etime to one amount e be ya e dia so dwe be la okay to the past
yo de se wa yi ma no sa na me no kasa nyina so ye afuo no ewo eye fidie so sanse wo hunu ekuma se lo setete me ro tete me se bibia meka bia no mempe ho proof anase mempe bibi enkyere se de me kan sa na tie enu nti na ye yi afuo ni nyina wa so ba bi ye twegu ene ba bia aka ekofa nchinyua ne ba ya enu nti ama ye hold on no enti me ko na otwe awie ne epe eye amna to se de wo kan mi enu nyina na ke no mo ahia ye fa de court ya nya obi anu na nhia ama asem ko police station wo adan junction nti mesro se why penya odo ma nu die emretu amu no na me show bobi so me the video no so no copy bebrew office said e bana wo ka wasem so abunku apefa so ka wasin to no be da Spanya me shira
me do asiminia enu ni eduma ma be so Ghana mine ina na nya me shira pa
insha so na bu na me admo cha me transmit my phone office ya
e do asi e tro be me ni jibe me yo kwan
mate ona bu nya me nka ho
yo
yes ona bu ko nsinti madwuma wura na mote se ye ne twetwe komo no ukọ offense no of ono na MP na ukọ ministry of local government on deputy minister na adwuma papa yi bo no ne mituma ka to se sa na ministers and say even deputies ni nyina yanka Ghana nka ba bi eduro no nkaso na ukọ offense no of so awurade nyakobo osi ho no ma enu nti wotimi tutu no ntoma guso se de opebi a mu am se aminu ani we brutal ahini ndo obedi ache onabo nakopon ka na mrepa bi no ba twetwe nkomo
do asiminia ni mi so munya
enshira oso yo umuso ya sene two ice coast store sanso na ome company limited achemota bus terminal eso account yakwadwo mu krato ne yeba yede mu ko adan junction ho na action kase na agasa ebifidi ediaba Atoya sa ababio de bia meka chose program e dey da so eye oman mu eti wo sen me no ka say GNTV so afa program bi lab so na ATV amansan television Ocean One so afa program ya to dey oman mu eti wo sen kojo asante kenkan so dey word me one na me di djuma di cha de bia meka chose say Ghana ha say ya na ebimu tiwuye ene anifra ha bi mu Senye Ghana ka mi bi da say yesi yamwama oman tumpon ye bedue niane eni oba bi say amanwo eni kwadu na obi atimetua amanwo for the past 15 years abo oman eni ko bi amanwo ye to ba ko say ye to ba ko 5 cedi 3 cedis 2 cedis ni etiba ko twa amanwo no egu na buza se adenti ye ko twa amanwu na egu a yesi na asase ne ye aban dia 1976 na abanji asase no enu nti no awoti ye ko twa gu ne be dia kwadu what na amanwu ofo 525 acre land amanwu kwa ye ko twa egu adaya yesi ye ba be dia kwadu ena minimu nyina na ebe program yi ye for say enukura aban asase bia ogara bia aban dia na doban na wo so no say enukura ese aban dia aban wei onye mistake da aban ti mo de nkura se a akodi dobae ni wura betriase akasa yebema compensation na muntie ni ye mesi DC no ne DC no more letter that is ne south ne north ni I'm telling you say adeno my ohoro me pese me use certain west ediama omu say mo say me respect payin am ne ka say no deputy minister local government no na o tell me ya gba di video no kwa koma no aban se obi aboka aidoba even anuntina se obi kura ya be kwai no obi container sikwanso a ye man no bibi kakra se ofon picture the container for kusi baby moso la na mu di bro di go aban so na mo aban chie dum kwase aban chi di boni amanwa so uti ko twa amanwu ni nyina egu se ye kodwi na obi no medua kodu obi medua kodu ho hwe amanwa ye ko twa egu aha nyina ya amam se na mu bewu ade o mani so o mami to say ATV GNTV and mo hwe program ya to say o mami to say no amanwu ni o amanwa ye dua 525 acre land ni nyina ya amanwu from a ship so ada yes DC ya wo eye ada is ni wo ada ene ne wa say na asase ne ye aban asase nti no ye de ma developer bi aba bedua kodu eno nti ye twa amanwu ni nyina hu Ghana ha to le bia me junior me amenti ase amafo be pedi bone de ama aban sa awie no pa obi kakra obedi enti ajani a abin ani de ebe no de ni edie ajani abin ni de ebe no de enti wuya ani ajum poninti da bia na mu de progu aban no so samu frisa sabio aban ti mo de nsan kura na when local government minister or the deputy mienu asal wey MC ni DCs edu free say who DC ni MCs enyeti poni ani se bi ajim poni a ani abanu na mo pese mo sabotage no mo yan unpopular cassette mo din sem we nka mo koye amanwa eso meti ko twira amanwu nigu ese ye bedua kwadu na kwadu wuru se be ya na se nye kwadu die guarantee na wo se kwadu na mo bedua ko betima ye amanwu eso akutwi amanwu nagu adaya se abanto asase 1976 enunti no awose 1976 na abanto asase no ye no so a engazabla nu ka sei enka chibin emponko asebo enyata nyina megum na amanwu aduru sei aso for the past 15 years obi ayi na fuo 525 acre land akucha amanwu negu adaya ye bedua kodu hwasase na da horo muna bu amanwu ye chegu anjina ya amanwu atuma kucha amanwu ni nyina egu se bedua kodu aye sebio edam se asase wey obi edua amanwu anjina ya amanwu dia so ni egu se ja kucha egu ase DC ni say asase no aban the 1976 ntino ye fa grade go twa amanwu ni nyinagu ampa mo ko twa mo land we nyina ya amanwu akotwa amanwu nagu se papa na anti no bi be yi papa na sutire ebe ni 2 car e de mema ko ho e ka de ye kire mu ni nyina mo he asase da wa asase a nyina ya amanwu ni agotwa ni nyinagu le so obi wo amanwu fuo we I pray nipa mako 75 omu do ho omu amanwu no omu spray ho amanwu ne bo omu kwoti wo sa export ko twa amanwu nagu ese ubedua kwadu na kwadu no de guarantee na wo se kwadu no kura ubedua ne be anya jani abi ne yedie anya jimbani ni ajinfi eni pa boni se ni wudi sema e ga se 2 DCs no sebio nyensa fu na mudidi wo horo sebio mo jiri ye adwuma ana mani da ho aduane abiye ko hwegu ekofa fofo besi jaso aduane abinye ni yedie na mako tibe ko hwie aduane abin na to ogu se aduane na abin no yesa ko for the same thing and asem law abesi so ese tutu amra wo hwaman wo sisi wo no so papa bi na ye selfo na agu nhira ni sei aman wa yete so nya fe de ye bete so no ko twira aman wo ni nyina agu na mu hia ya bebo aban ni dimbone se aban we di oba be twa nkrofo aman wo na wa wo bedu akodu nu kura no se bi o se bi nyakopon na betu awo ni wo kodu ni nyina aka amakodu na hye susukuru wa da be susu ama wo nua no eno na nyakopon so be susu ama wo susukuru na wo susu ama wo nua se wo nua de se bi o komne no wo nua afuo de wo ko twagu na aman wo sisu a ye dua lie by lie for the past 15 years awu nua ye nafu wo se me de makotwa agu e ba be dua kodu be dua kodu asem wo nya yo hosam ama ahemfo mu adan nyina so emu wa se ye kura ye die kura ba ma ji asase wo ho voter ohiri bi na mko ji asase no ho na voter o ida hanye de we amna o matu nyina che se o mu di nsuo begumum de awota kodu no mbedua no amamu na abana ye te so ton export di bi ye drink fruit drink men na no de mako ko twa na mumi entie papa no akosem eni ohima no so ohoro so akosem ye ba mo mu ofisi be bia homa no na so french amadu mi nko tie papa na mra mumi nko tie afowura no eni ohima no okrumo ne ye ba mo mu ofisi be mo kwai se bio afuo na amangu na ewo so no akotwa guse bedua kodu na asase ne aban asase nti DCs no e de akwa obi so medua kodu ni twa amangu ni mu na obi say aban se bio aban make mistakes a me nkotie o mu na emra.
About 3 months ago na asana yebe hunu na ya hu se omudi surveyors be aba efunu where my man would families na microphone na mi wa shaman na microphone no afre mi say microphone be the survey machine aba me phone wo mango farm it me rush it down ampa mba eso na mi be hu say surveyors be wo me farm. The first thing to do is we reported the case to Sege police and then the DC that this is what is happening on my mango farm. Some people we don't know are on the farm. So they came. At that time my boys or the town people rushed there and since they are instruments that they are using for the surveying and everything. So when the police people came, we hand over those things to them and we told them that they shouldn't come here until we hear something from our DC. Really, the DC called us and told us that it is government plan for the food and jobs. That's why this the government also land there. And I said, okay, we all support the government plan for the food and jobs. But before then, the government must see the allodial owners of the land. So the DCE told us, okay, they will do all the necessary plan for them to see us. Up to now, they did not. The second time we realized they sent bulldozers on the land and destroyed part of my mango, the fruiting mango for exports. About 563 acres of mango farm, which is fruiting. The only thing is they started destroying some of the some part of the mango farm, and we told them, we asked them, look, you people were asked not to come here until we settle everything so that you people know they know their owners. But you want to take the instruction or information from the voter, that is Tefli. And the Tefli chief is leading you to come and destroy things. So, called Togbe Dubazan. The chief name is Togbe Dubazan. So we told him No, and he also accompanied them there. And we told him, look, the way you are, what you are doing, you will trigger my people to do things that it is, it will not call for. And they say, okay, they will not come again. But last Saturday, before we realized, they sent 2 bulldozers on the farm again. And they started destroying part of the farm. And then one guy is there, and when I questioned him, the only thing he told me is that it is Togbe Dugazan from Tefle who told them they should come. So we started calling the DC. We didn't hear of them. And we started calling the appropriate place so that they will bring peace on the farm that day. But we didn't hear of anybody. So
American say, yes, sir, Abano. Assassin on my bed, foul at a fear denimano. One more maba, one say abandon a mawon quine. Say no paru, and you can say Abano. And I'm my one, sir, a Hondina or Mudias Ejumano. It's in the American Sabano, say, what must say, no who or more. And the Oma take a beer in penny for you, Yansen it them. Na a choir about Fasuma Sumje, about Chronomono. Sasumje Naba. Nebom a man is sa. Nancy, yes, sorry, my bano on fire infants will be a matek baby away for. Ye uncle Fua, ye muju. Ah, ye pair, ye dimraya juma, ye passum tree. And yes, son Kantama, Uncrofuni Baswa, ne soldiers in police for Ibasui. I can find this a woman who say, BBSC. Na ye nim say na nanu mu a wo mu di kan a wo mu hunti a ye ti ase wo mu njaye ma obi ama ye moja ngusu naka wo mu ma ba wo moja begu fom mo ehun se moja gu fom na nam se ye mrafo a ye mpe basabasa yo nti no ama obi am be ka se bi akoye political nti no ye pe na sumdwem ne ye kan se soja fo na dia begu afiade ni masase so no ye family ni bi wo hodada for 15 years and over. Ye export no and my livelihood such a thing pregnancies in India ma benyano or coming sick and the masanya money eba na ni American says na me nti America today pregnancy me one of the queen mothers me bo who did e wo ye hanu ya training me so for that enti ni American says they be say you ma be ba form ama bibia koso yie ama free education so bia nya kwan according to no sabano no hu wo mu a on brantem na wo mefreye na ye ntrase na sasene ne yesese ye de to no ye fa ntu yie na somdwembra enye sa ye ma na afi kwa wieye na se ye ntehwia from early January no ohu ye danger ma emmo no hu because ye abokoko ye se bebi akokobọ wo no enfum so ni ho abokoko dada nti ne ye kan ne se tekpa bia we nkrofo nwu ye wo ho no mpanyimfo wo tekpa bia we ye wa asafache nwa ye wo chief penyi asafache mo wo ye chi wo mo doso the divisional chief ye nya wo hono ye mo mpanyimfo e wo ye chi na nam say we've been trained ya training ye na ye mfa obuon enhye bebi obuon nti na ya ye kum nti se na ye ka cha ban ne se afiade nyuma asase ye no enye voter for due obia ne bebia na kwanda obi wo ha nitie da yensu ne ye nanan mu ja amaye no afiade nyuma asase ye nja ma wenne enja ma wo cha me yoba ya santoa me di enim ama ne yesese ye no ye be ye ama bebia ye beto no e beto
achira mo no eno na ade abufuo ade aba no na wo se wo ye DC ana MC wo baabi na wo so wo bedua kodu ntu ko twa amanwo agu a menti bi da even asase wura no kura na se afu wura no se aban ana start mo se kura aban be tia compensation di aman ana menya cho se aban ko twa amanwo agu e se dua kodu ko beto amanwo no because plenty of food no e dey say amanwo ni bi no oba bedua na dey also bedua kodu na wo DC MC kakra obedi enti wo twa afu na 0546468001 0546468001 0546468001 wa wo hwe e wo GNTV sanso na wo hwe no wo ATV amansan so a wo betima frɛ eye 0546468001 0546 468 na minti bi da muna mun hwe amanwaso ese ye kutwagu na ne kuro bi ese edie na meska cha amanwo edie ana meska cha amanwo ewo Ghana ha sisi na amanwo sisuwa nyini sei a eso osima kutwagu ama ye kodua kwadu na kwadu kwa ne last one near say hello me near first of friend hello
yeah me first time coaching
me ba your friends who run on GNTV na ATV ko do run ATV na say GN
you say program in fact I am a reporter na me this is this you know I'll tell you and I mean really so now the professional player that I'm not okay if you are not also problem I follow them so I'm not trying now for me women na me really that I'm not there
okay yeah that's fine nyagopo inshallah because onu na onu momu no eye campaign for job and food no one no na okotwa manwa aso obi na dia manwa 525 acre no okotwa egu ade as medua kodu is it mad you see we madness hello my friend so free
hello
but your friend so free me and you
your friend do ashama
do me and you me too
I never know what put us to work if you can how the track it's a flow it is because five for yeah we do something and so we can come to you no we be able to make that for that and one family one village I didn't hear me to be your almost very good. The excellent but I was young and the room of your very long drive corona by being exactly you are or maybe he shook again when you are the didn't know maybe they are alone. Now we're second here. I said this woman they say fire was straight for it. And this was now also a DP because one woman should become a bruiser. I
no correct.
Because who would the power for I guess the woman of the then you are not also telling you. So what I mean, I part of
the also. And what can they be able to do about who this in the MC Amumu Ada West any central and other. You see, I don't say you put up for the best idea. Hello, your first of free.
Hello, but you're Mr.
Abu Free, Mr. Abu meet you.
Yes, you say, oh, no. Maybe I make a down say, time I want it, but one of the food I got a catano. Or him, what in the way you want. According to me, that would say, what you mean, a man 2 people over the animal. And you mentioned say, move for the photo of the piano.
Okay.
Anyone,
okay.
Now I'm sure I'm not a quite on course, what I'm every man,
okay.
Said yes to Jennifer. When you talk about politics,
no correct.
because I know the new president do the politics.
No correct.
Said your money put you in a it's really massive.
No correct.
Yes, friend.
Marty.
And your money in Ayabia.
Marty.
A bar. The Indian Koa, India, the whole area now, but you have a Koa.
No, Pamango.
And a boy, man.
You.
It's a special with that, but then you see what he and the bar. That's a cocoa, the DSA could do almost 2 and more. Now, new Mariano.
Yes.
I just hear you give this piano.
Yes, you that's it. You see, I dear about what a say. Well, you know, I want a down for us as you. and on no voter and as it those time no on all the assassin at the ma a buy. So in this case, you know, hello, your first free.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
Good evening, boss. But your first free anytime.
Your friend Mohammed, the Kasafri Akran himself.
Mohammed means you.
Yeah, but I was my boss. Yeah, you're paying for no, almost push a credit, more. Or not, to me, the Kinaso, essay, you have been in the man and another motive bomb brother. Mango, where Modia 50 to a sorry, then they transfer no sense in man dependent that we have one bobra. I'm a Kotanya just like that with maybe Cocobobi and answer. And she has thrown Moyamo post and the Yana has support my mom post. So I'm saying, no, we are more boca. So if you know, man, no, just any months and I want to obey you. Yes, wrong, you. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, so, yeah, because they said, yeah, no, a creative ada any voter because voter ni and the assassin ma bind that mumuka and ada for so move for assassin mo bi do mu ni papa we na beje say oba aba bedo adua amango mo de aboba but che for so free be ba cho low TV volume ni ma why ye ni agro how Mr. Robert me afra wo hwe GNTV wo hwe ATV amansana wo bet ma afra 0546468001 0546468001 ye ni agro hello ye for so free
hello
but ye for so free me enti o ye ni prepare why
me prepare
ada me for say
a friend is
David me enti
yeah na yes the amukano me akata me ko ho na me fita one thing.
Okay.
Na sabe pepe no mo ka se. Who are na ya papa. Because this year me akata me ko fu mountain. Kakra bi a wo si ni wo ye 1 million. That could destroy that mountain to me ya. Yeah, the top can be big far.
You. Yeah, that's it. Pa. Ya me chire me for last call near the friend nyina asia say na ye de aba awie na eya say amanwa asoa ye ebra ye die no we ma ko twagu kodu akwadu say do eye dam hello ye for say bato mi nti o frefre
hello
bato ye for so frefre
if you tell me what to say sama
bato ma mi nti o
nya me tell me ka nya me for you no I'm not because when I can't say the Prawan now the Genia open. It's in the director, all the photo, and I'm also doing my who go
you.
No,
you. Yeah, that's it. Yet we for phobia, edibesi, and the Biaka. ATV yani yenye story ne yentrase nyame ya adoma wo kira ye de copy eco local government e de command for say honorable Collins team ono ena in charge of planting food and job no ono ena pay oda no eti ye kira ye de brief you know visuals ni nyina ne de corner so ye gini di so betu na because ya eso obi bedu amon wa duru this stage ni ye ko twa agusi e bedu akodu na kwaduru future be ne wom e de guarantee na chese be na ni nyina achi no eye 2 ice cold store adaroma what is open na papa atwa wanuma bra ashama be be fire service da no anase nima any mamobi gata kese ne nche se wo eye community 18 a anatema na ne potema community 80 T junction so obo nsi ati da no kese esuo uko no ma ubenya enam papa ede atwa wanum 2 ice cold stores frɛ no 0242237373 0277591166 sanso na ome company limited say na wankasa supermarket na waye any boutique no any sebio wankasa cold store no kura waye any wa interest hono no anase wadwuma mu hono no ne wo choba no na waye na anti amanfo ma hono nti wunhuru ese wa ohwe sebio decoration hono entwaye enti bomode afro mo 02442603 64 0244 675155 ome company limited so frana ombeba no ma betu adwuma koi a eso yasene na yabobo mu de akiro na GNTV efa adwuma di eda ya woda ene brada bia no twekobɔ no nkro sanso na Amansan TV ena ekura eyesa programming bright ose bonso isa ene set opoku ene Gideon mu nyina aka obi ne adwuma di a ede ebro no obo eme yefa no wo GNTV di eye yuchi adaroma jonk oso baby awo bia me chia papa na yakosi do nyina makram kojo asante eni midin kinga zudi she word me one na so wo problem bia frɛ 0244 658295 0244658295 me wie program ya frɛ me na forward this ready eto mani baby awo bia meto na mo number makram bye bye.